Hello there, everybody on YouTube/subscribers and Dairy Queen fans. It's been a while since I do reviews on the Blizzard ice cream treats, but now finally back. So this time for a flavor, it's the Oreo Snowdrift Blizzard. So I also got Toy Bonnie over here to be the main character in this video. So anyways, the color on this one, a little bit of light blue, very close to the color on Toy Bonnie. So anyways, let's give this one a try and see how it tastes. So here we go. Yummy. It tastes like Oreo cookies and cake batter and some bit of marshmallow swirls and creamy DQ soft serve. So let's give another try. So here's what it looks like. I think it's really delicious. Yummy. This will be like Toy Bonnie's special type of Blizzard ice cream treat. It's really yummy. And what's great about the Blizzard treats is they put a lot of any treats, cookies, or any kind of flavors on the Blizzard. Delicious. So anyways, guys, I highly recommend to try this new flavor from Dairy Queen. It's the Oreo Snowdrift Blizzard. Especially for everyone that enjoys the cookies and ice cream. So yeah, I give this Blizzard treat a 10 out of 10 for the yummy flavor inside of that ice cream. So yeah. So anyways, what do you think about this flavor? Let me know what you think in the comments section below. So yeah. So anyways, guys, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos that you might be interested in. And thanks for the support and 894 subscribers. I really appreciate that. And I'll try my best to do a great job. And then I'll be able to reach to 900 subscribers in no time at all. So anyways, thanks for the support. And thanks for watching this video. And I'll see you soon in the next videos. And bye for now.